If you want to use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy A17, the first thing that we can do is go to Settings. Over here, scroll down and go to General Management. Afterwards, we're gonna go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and you should be able to scroll down in order to find voice input. And over here, we can choose whichever voice input we want to use. We have Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing. Both of them are great. And we just need to make sure that at least one of these options are selected. And then you can open your keyboard and you should be able to find a microphone over here in the bottom left side. So we can tap over here to enable the microphone, and now whatever you say, it will be converted into a text. And there we go. Of course, if it doesn't turn off automatically, you can tap on the microphone again. And in some cases, I assume in other apps, you can automatically turn it off once you end your sentence. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.